Good afternoon, everybody. It's 12:30 Pacific Standard Time. The date is 3, as I always say, 5/14 of 2019, and I have a hourly chart up here on AVGO, semiconductor. The $290 call option. We gapped down yesterday with the market. So in the semiconductor sector unit, they've all been getting killed, but what a great day it was yesterday when we put that bottom in, and then today we continue to go higher. I'm going to also show the call side of the market. Here's a 15-minute chart so you can see where that breakout started today and whatnot. We went parabolically straight up. Then we got up to this area where we consolidated. That consolidated, we broke out straight up here on the top side of that. And then we peaked right up here on the high end of that intraday high of 304.6. So let me go ahead and show the $290 call chart, which is going to be this chart right here. When we broke out, we went back up here. This was the low on the 290 call. So the low was down here. You could have got in, let's say, right around $8.50 for the entry. And then we can clearly see how the calls went straight up, and they did. We went all the way up here and made a high of $14 in these calls. And that was a great gain as to how that the 290 call at the time when AVGO was oversold as it was. Here's a better call chart for you to understand. Yesterday, if this thing got down here and they were, we got in, you could have got in at $5. Today, we had a gap open up. We've gone all the way up here to 1480 on the AVGO 290 call chart, May 17th, weekly expiration, which will come around, and we have a monthly one as well. So these are the call chart that 99% of the people that buy options don't know how to use them, or they haven't ever seen them. And the whole idea is to understand how that we are going to give that limit order and how cheap they were down here. AVGO sold off good with the market, and it created this buying opportunity. NVIDIA reports earnings. It created a buying opportunity. Remember, when things get all oversold, when they get oversold, you got to take that move up. That right here was 100% gain on the NVIDIA 290 call. Live market action right now, 12:46 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Date 5/14/2019. Once again, I'm going to go back over here one last time. And what I would like you to see is the fact that here's that chart. And here's that bottom right here. This is a 30-minute chart so you can see what it was like. And whatnot. And we went all the way up here to $304. This has been a very good trade today. It was oversold, and it was going to bounce and go higher. Within the overall correction in May, the semiconductors got killed, and they did. You can clearly see over here. And, these things just kept going down. They were getting whacked. They were coming back down. They would come up, they would have that big gap down, and this is the equity, and we hit the bottom, and we did, and it was a great buying opportunity. The low here was 289 where we were getting in, and this is the 30-minute chart on AVGO for the day. Here, we'll go ahead and show you another one on an hourly level, and here it is. You can see right here. This is exactly where the stock broke out. Went straight up, hit resistance, has pulled back to this trend line right in here, slightly below the 302 area where that wick is and whatnot. And this is where the gap, and this thing was parabolic up. This is great things that happen when things get oversold. You got to take it for what it's going to give you, and let us be the example to you about how to buy the option when the option prices were totally deflated. No brainer. Big money. Join us today.